Can you use the same charger for electric two-wheelers and electric four-wheelers? Let's find out. Currently, both electric two-wheelers and electric four-wheelers are based on lithium-ion batteries. But when it comes to charging, the technology involved is a little bit different. For electric cars right now, you have high AC and DC power modes, which include 7 kilowatt, 20 kilowatt, 60 kilowatt, and you must have heard even a bigger number. For electric two-wheelers, charging is done via low DC power, like 750 watts, 1 kilowatt, or maximum to maximum 3 kilowatts. Another point is, both electric cars and electric four-wheelers have different charging ports. Think of it like a mobile charger. Some of the phones use Type-C for charging and other phones use Lightning port to charge. So currently in electric cars, you'll find CCS Type 2 as a standard port across the cars. But in electric two-wheelers, there is no standardized charging port as of now. So to answer you whether you can use the same charger or not, currently you cannot use. Till the point we have the same charging ports coming in for electric four-wheelers, two-wheelers with a similar technology, you cannot use the same charger.